Hello, everyone. For our first couple of sessions of social studies, we are going to begin by reviewing map skills. Because of this, it obviously makes sense to begin with reviewing a world map and looking at our major continents, oceans, the equator, and how to label a compass rose. We will then move on to looking at a US map and thinking about where is our place in this world. So let's begin by looking at the world map, and we'll see if Mrs. Larock can correctly drag our labels over to our specific continents. My new computer, I love it, but it's a little touchier on when I drag items. So far I have labeled North America and South America. Then we have Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, and our last continent of Antarctica. Now we will move on to our major oceans, starting with the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and our very familiar Pacific Ocean. Next, we have our equator. And finally, we will go down to our compass rose, and we will label the parts of our compass rose: north, south, east, and west. And there are the parts of our world map. Today you will have an opportunity to practice labeling a world map correctly and then answering some questions about it. Thank you.